What's up guys, Cody back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a river fishing video. But yeah, later we're going to meet up with Austin. He was in the last video. Yeah, we're just going to be doing some river fishing and hopefully we catch some biggins. I completely forgot that we don't got worms, so I'm going to get worms real quick. Alright, we got the worms. Oh shit. Now let's not make a mistake like last time. I grabbed a freaking ice pack because it gets very hot. Now we're on our way to meet up with Austin. Let's go fishing. Guys, we finally made it to Austin's house. Yeah, I know. It was like a 30-minute drive. But yeah, oh shit. I don't know what I did there, but here he is. Yes sir, yes sir. Now we're gonna go to the food joint. We made it to the food joint. It was literally a minute away, not even a minute away. But it's called the drive-in restaurant. Yeah. So basically you pull up here and you got different rows that you can go and, you know, park in, and you roll down your windows and they hand you these.
They get a pizza burger.
Pizza is the
Comes with marinara and provolone. And a
interesting.
toasted bun.
A pizza burger. Man, I might just get the bacon cheeseburger. Plain and simple. But I'll let you guys know what we get. So I'm gonna get the bacon cheeseburger like I said I was gonna get. He's getting the
Cali burger.
Cali burger. Yes, sir.
Lettuce, tomato, and mayo. But I don't like tomatoes. No tomato.
I got a Mountain Dew for my drink. He got a cherry starry. I didn't know they had those. I didn't know there was other flavors. Alright, Austin's starving. Trying to hold him back from eating right now, but we finally got the food. Looks so fire. Normally they hang the trays out your window, but I got a new car, so I don't want to do that. I got the bacon. He got the California. What your California look like? Looks pretty
It's
plain.
just got lettuce on it because it doesn't. Normally places put onion on it.
You got the pickles on the side. Fire, fire. Also gonna do a little review test because I haven't had this in years, so I'm gonna see how good it still tastes.
So fire. I normally bite the wrapper on these, so I'm gonna try not to do that on this one.
Oh my god! Wow! Mission successful. Little mukbang. Might as well, you know. You getting hungry yet? Cause I don't know. If you guys ever want to try this place out, it's located in Taylors Falls, Minnesota. It's called the Drive-In
Restaurant.
The Drive-In Restaurant. The burgers are real juicy, the bacon's fire, and the bread's fire. Thank you.
Yeah, can I grab you guys anything else right away?
No thank you.
Okay, sounds good.
I almost asked for more napkins. Wait, are the napkins right there? Nice.
Go out.
I don't think it was centered.
I think it was probably caught up in one of these black things.
They give you a whole container of ketchup. That's so fire. Yo, and they playing fire music, dude. A lot of throwbacks. If you can't tell, I'm sweating my ass off right now.
Doggy's not having fun.
Like, we get little gusts of wind, but I'm sweating my ass off. Don't you just hate when there's like barely any bun to grab on? I'd rather wear a $100 white shirt and drip ketchup on it than drip ketchup on my seat. That's how much I love this car.
I think a way to be less stressed about it is if you do spill anything, immediately take it somewhere to like pull it up. Because they have like the carpet cleaners or whatever at some of the car washes. You ever used a carpet cleaner? Oh my god. It's so gross.
They're pretty crazy.
It's so gross. You just watch all the filth get sucked up through the...
No, I lost my fry. More like a food video now.
Make Cody eat fish later too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh. Hang on.
I don't know. Yeah, use one, but then put them in there.
Yeah.
I forgot to say that. My bad. That's the end of the food. I'll see you guys when we're at the spot. Apparently it's raining, and also I wanted to show you guys how this thing hangs. So, yeah, it kind of like... I'm not exactly sure. If
Just
I'm being
hang
honest.
it, dude. Quit being a baby.
No, because I think... Yeah, no, I'm not trying it.
You're such a baby.
We got to the spot, guys, and we got a lot of clouds. We got a lot of clouds above us, so not fun with that.
Touch my carbon fiber pole.
What, buddy? What, buddy?
Touch my carbon fiber pole. Oh wait, yours might be too. I think.
It's got carbon fiber in it, sir. Yours is just... Fuck is yours?
Yeah, you can definitely see it.
I think you're seeing shit. We are finally making our way down all the stairs. Also, you see that great car? The Camry. Buddy was like, "Is that a Camry?"
Corvette.
Hey, I did call it a Corvette, but he called it a Camry.
I just pronounced the word wrong.
Look at that neat washer, dryer. I don't even know. It's just, how did it get all the way down? Okay, inside track. He just threw his
I
goddamn
don't carry it. We're going that way anyways.
investigating. You know what? Let's not do what he did. Came across a wild spider. Wild spider with eggs. She's marvelous. Insane. I've never seen this. Never seen that before. Alright, we're gonna get set up and then we're gonna first. Alright, I'm on a hunt for a stick to hold my rod up. Well, there's a perfect pile over here. Let's see what we can find. Ah, that shit way too big. That's a perfect one. What? Okay. He didn't bring his hooks. If y'all didn't hear that. Oh my god, a bug just went up my nose. Oh! Whoa, there's some get out of my swamp type of mud right there. Look how far I've made it so far. He's all the way down there. I found it. I found it, guys. I'm starting to regret bringing shorts. As soon as I cooled off, now the mosquitoes are just biting the crap out of me right now. Yeah, this is our stick. Pretty solid stick. This is the tripod, guys. You know it. Gonna have to buy one very soon. We're using the same setup as, you know, we did in the last video. Shit, I forgot my weights. Right, Spears? Yeah. already got them. I did not see those there.
Oh no, you need heavy weights for that. Yeah, you would have to return around.
Remember, guys, take your line. I forgot my tackle bag, so I'm putting it in my backpack. I can help you if you need. Hang on. No, I don't trust that. That's why you test your line. I'll try to help you one second. Alright, that one's good. Oh shit. I saved Austin. Austin did have a fish on that the whole time. Dude, look at it.
You probably snagged me. Look at him. You got beat up somewhere.
Dang. Yep, that. Don't get scared like that, my guy.
No, he slipped on my hand.
Oh.
Oh, watch out.
You got the hook out?
Yeah.
This is literally the fish I tried cleaning yesterday. Do you want to hold him or not?
No, it's fine. He looks
Alright.
like a different one now. Like his tail's red. Why is it raining?
What the hell? You good, Brody? You good? He's gone. He's gone. He just needs some life support. I don't know. The stick that I grabbed is not as big as I wanted it to be. It's just no bueno. And we also moved spots a little bit. Whoa. There's someone right there. I just came across. That is not terrifying at all, right? No. Totally not a fucking red balloon right there. No.
If you'll come with me, you'll float too. You'll float too. You'll float too.
Yeah, no. Why do I want to go towards it?
Bro, what are you talking about?
It's a ball. It's a red ball. But this does look like a good spot, to take a leak, so I'm gonna do that. I'm done now. But yeah, it's like a spiky red ball. And I almost fell in right there. Yeah, not fun. Let's go across this. Whoa. What? Is this a golf ball? It's a purple golf ball. Interesting. No, I don't got nothing to put that in, otherwise I'd pick it up. It's a frying pan? Bro! Who's lazy ass didn't bring up their frying pan? There's 100% something in that fucking hole, and I do not want to find it, and that's the exit hole. Oh. Okay, why am I standing in front of the fucking hole? A fucking stick, man. I need a stick! A stick! I'm gonna find those sticks over here. There's a literal boat right there. Well, there's no trespassing. I said it's too small! Holy bass. Dude, that's a fudging huge bass, bro. What the shit? Gonna need the tripod, Can't forget that. It's four rocks. And we're back. I had to delete a lot of footage to clear up the storage, but we're back. Finally gonna cast my pole. I've been.
Just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Please don't be disappointing. Kind of seems like a smallie, unless your rod's just that fucking strong. Unless it's that strong. Oh yeah, it's fighting. What is it, guys? Oh, okay, sheephead. Sheephead. Holy crap! I haven't seen a sheephead in so long, dude. Look at this thing. Oh. Dude, give me a fucking 5, brother. Ah! Oh, shit! Throwing mud at us! Oh!
Chill out.
It's like I was covered in fucking mud. Oh, wow.
Hold on, let me get my pliers.
Hey! 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 Damn! Hey! Chill out, man!
Okay, buddy, chill.
Yep. He's an aggressive guy. Dropped the phone in mud, too. Huh? It's pretty shallow water, so they're gonna always kind of go on their side.
Told you we should switch spots. I might need you to watch that while I put the bell on it. I don't got a bell. Where is it? It's in the taxi box, like I said. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna leave that rolling. Yeah, I'm full of blood. Hey, did you grab my bell? Oh, no, yeah, I see it. Hey. Damn. Y'all seen that?
Flash out the
Biggest fish I've ever caught. Dude, I walked the whole fucking coastline with my phone to not get that stuff off. See, look at that. I don't know how you do this.
I learned it from my grandpa. He was known.
I'm sorry. Look, sir, I don't want to retire. Fuck.
Yes, please. Please do it.
Fish? Fish? Might be small. Might be really small. She's got 3 fish so far. Right? Baby sheep pen. I'll take you that. Sir? This is the Taylor's Lost Police Department, and we need you to remain calm. Ah! Let me put my finger in your mouth. Right there.
It's a little bit smaller than the one earlier. He doesn't like my thumb.
Fish guys. Something over here. What's your name? Oh, yep. Hey, stop it. Coming over. There's a humongous dead bat. It's like, I bet that is long. It's like this long, maybe a little longer, but like this fucking dead. First of all, it's daytime. Blue clouds, Charlotte. Blue clouds. You gotta step back a little bit. It's the end of my line. Whoa.
I snagged an empty clam.
No. Guys, I'm not able to save this one this time. We might have to make a Walmart trip.
So his pole got snagged on what we believe is a giant sturgeon that, you know, eats everything.
Size of a school bus.
Yeah, size of a school bus. So we're on our way to get some more weights. And who knows what else. Maybe I might get some hooks.
Now, what if he breaks
We
the
made it
rules,
to
right?
Walmart. We're gonna get these freaking weights, man. Cause Broham, he got snagged. Where is he? Oh, he's holding a door open. I'll face myself. Hey, you can't record in here. You can't record in here. You know, I've never been in this Walmart before. Cause frick Wisconsin, you know, man. Frick it. Frick you, man. I'll frick you with this guitar right here. What?
Bubblegum.
Huh? What?
Bombastic side.
Oh. What? Oh, this is a fucking big Walmart, I must say. Oh, they got the squeeze things. These ones are fucking nice. These are good. You know, I think it might be on the other side. Oh, what is he doing? They're looking at me like I'm crazy. You got the fishing poles right here. Yeah, we definitely we definitely passed all the fishing stuff. Get some of these bad boys. All right, we're also going with these.
Oh, is this a $3 fucking finish?
Are you also getting these too?
Yeah.
Interesting. Injured bait fish.
Nice.
I do need a pair of pliers, so I'm gonna get these bad boys.
What I have?
Dude. Alright, we're also getting this because it's $2. Frick those sticks, man. You keep your fucking voice down.
You keep your fucking voice down!
Okay? We're in a public space right now. You can't be shouting and screaming. What did you just say? What did it say? Alright, let's go here. Check out there. Put the phone down. They want to show it, but this Walmart has a whole Papa Murphy's. Our Walmart, well, where I live, it's getting a Dunkin' Donut. So, yeah. Honestly, I think this is the first time I've seen a Papa Murphy's in so long. And it's in a Walmart. That's actually crazy. Yeah, German Beamer. Look, it's so sexy. So sexy. We made it back to the spot. Gotta organize my new stuff that I got.
What, bitch?
It's not really organized, but everything's in there now. I forgot my bail again. So I'm running all the way up these stairs. Look at Austin way down there. Right now we're trying these guys, and it's great for catfish, bass, striper, trout, panfish, and all other bottom feeding species. So yeah, me and him both got each hooked, and we're seeing how they work. Wild ass people.
I got snagged on that stupid bus sturgeon again. Or
The bus.
the sturgeon the size of the bus.
Yeah. Screaming and screaming.
Yeah, they're drunk and shit.
Dude, these kids are actually so dumb. There's one, where the fuck is he? He's right there. And right down here is aggressive ass, like I don't even know what to call it. Like, it's fucking bad, dude. We just found out that sheephead are actually good to eat. That sheephead we caught was massive. We could have kept that. But no, we didn't, because we weren't sure, you know.
I think I got something. We did some fucking, we pulled a little rascals, cat.
Not a bite, buckwheat. I got something. Me too, a big fat one. Whoa.
How the hell? Hey, chill out, Fred.
I'm not sure exactly what kind of carp this is, guys, but he's a beautiful color. Look at that tail. Holy crap.
Help me!
Going bye-bye. The jackasses are back at it again. And they're
Apparently
getting,
they're going down the rapids.
yeah, apparently they're going down to the rapids. Oh. What are they thinking right now?
They're going down them, I promise.
Bro, no fucking way.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to do
They're right there. They're literally underneath the bridge right now. How are they not dying?
that. They're gonna watch.
Dude, you can kind of see where the water gets all aggressive.
Or we'll just hear nothing at all after.
I believe there's someone right there that just watched them. So we're gonna leave real quick and grab a grill and grab some burgers stuff to make some burgers.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, we kind of packed up a little bit. We hid most of our stuff where we were fishing because we didn't want to haul everything back and forth. Leave it right there. And then climb this. Alright, we made it back. We're back to the Walmart. Can you get some burgers?
And some beer.
And some what?
And some beer.
And some beer. Maybe some seltzers for me because I don't drink beer.
I'll probably get seltzers. I don't drink
Some
actual beer
white
either.
bitch. No. Alright. What do I got for me?
Cannot see, I'm legally blind.
Okay, well, you can't buy alcohol past 9 o'clock at Walmart. Fun fact. Dodgeball. I got this clear American wild cherry. 89 cents. Can't beat that. This is all the stuff, guys. We got burgers, cheese, buns, and we're gonna get lettuce. Seasoning. We'll smell it. Can we smell it? Yeah, see if we can smell.
It kind of smells like seasoned salt though.
We have to check out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What? The worms and stuff.
No, I got it.
I don't know how well you guys can see me, and I can't see anything. But we're back at the spot. Oh, there's a branch there. But yeah, I'll just see you guys when we're at the spot. MC Mikey. MC Mikey. MC Mikey. You don't remember? Have you ever seen Teenage Mutant Ninja? The elevator scene? You know. Everybody, yeah, you know.
MC Mikey. MC
My legs.
Hey. Okay. Our dumbasses forgot the lighter in the car, so we weren't able to start the fire. Oh, he disappeared. Oh, shit.
I'm God.
Oh, he's got a stick. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeet. Laura, Dora. Oh shit. Dora. Butter. Butter.
Stick snaps right as I'm over the rock.
Oh, that wouldn't be good. Just lose the kneecap. Hey, let me try it. Let me try it.
Low key?
This is gonna be way more footage than the last video. Okay, guys, we're finally set up. My chair's right there. His chair's right there. We got the fire, you know, trying to go right here. My pole's right there. You cannot see it. His pole's right there. You can actually see that. So yeah, we forgot lighter fluid because we're not smart. But we graduated, but we're not smart. Here, let me just help you out. Put that over there. All right, now start dumping the charcoal. Yep.
Oh, wait, is that right?
Yep. Yep, that is right. So I hooked literally a massive ass fish. My entire pole, like the whole tip went completely bent. As soon as I went to grab it, the whole thing fell out and I'm just snagged. Like the fish got me snagged. And I've never felt a fish pull so much. My legs were fucking shaking. My arms were shaking. This fish, so mad. But we're gonna get some redemption. I already got something? I was about to say, I just hooked everything up. And yeah, hopefully we can catch a monster this time. I need your help.
Oh, is that it?
That is not it. But it's something.
What is that? Get him!
What is he?
He's a carp.
Nice little carp. Look at his sucker ass mouth. What the hell? Oh, it's beautiful. What is he doing? Fred, go back in the water. See you later, Fred. Fish on? Oh, it's another carp. God damn! You're gonna break my fucking line, you chicken. Yeah, look at you and your upper lippy, you fuck. Alright, this guy is aggressive.
I don't have any plates, so get ready for
Same color.
burgers.
You already cooking them?
Yeah.
First time for everything. That's what I meant to say. Fish hand burgers. Yeah.
We are not eating carp.
I said fish hand burgers.
Oh, I think you said fish and burgers. I was
So
like,
every
what
time
the
you take a bite of the burgers, it tastes like fish. Yeah, that one of them should do it. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get another fish.
Oh my god.
Guys, he got a baby sturgeon.
He's super spiky.
Dude. Whoa, they actually feel... Oh, wow,
Yeah,
he is
careful.
spiky as shit. Dude,
Oh my
look at
God.
that. That's so awesome.
This is my first sturgeon ever.
And it's a baby. That's actually so sick. Cooking it up, cooking it up. Look at that river burger. Beautiful. I was wondering why there was sand in the bag. Would you look at that? That's probably why, he says. Oh. Damn, son. Damn. 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 Bro, that is a lot of sauce.
Part of the sauce, boys.
Very saucy with it. Yum, bro. Get that first bite. Yep, and that's how you eat a Big Mac.
It's how you eat a Big Mac, nigga. Cuz what the fuck?
Hey guys, I finally made it back to the house. Changed, showered, everything. Oh my god, I cannot believe the phone died. I cannot believe the phone died. But yeah, anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Definitely subscribe and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.